इसमें सेल चेंज नहीं किया क्या? दो दिखा रहा है। Good evening, students. We have three topics: time and work and wages, pipe and system. I will take 2 lectures for this 3 topic. Okay. So we start with this time and work, and in between we will see some question on wages and pipe and system. We will see in the last. Okay, that is like tomorrow. School days also, like I think might be you have learned about this time and work. Okay, but idea is in aptitude we don't use the method what we have learned during school days because that is not handy. So I brief you like what we have learned during school days. Question is like, online students, am I audible? Just write yes, comment. A can do one work in 6 days. B can do same work in 9 days. मेरे को एक handout देना. It is asked together A and B will take how many days for same piece of work? Okay, A can do one work in 6 days, B in 9 days. It is asked A and B together, they will take how many days? School days, if you recall, we have used one method, 1 day work of A, like we have used 1 by A plus 1 by B method. We have taken 1 by 6 plus 1 by 9. Okay. How many of you don't have idea about this method? Then it is wonderful. Okay. Like here, if you know this, then you have to de-learn it. If you don't know, then it's wonderful. फिर कोई issue ही नहीं है. See, I'm not in favor of this method, which is like school method, 1 by A, 1 by B method. Reason being time consuming, one thing. Second is for miscellaneous question. I will discuss type 3 question with you specially. Here you will get confused how to use this method. So we will have better method and we will compare also. Now here, starting 20 minutes, I will take basic idea. I start with type 1. I will take 3-4 example so that you will learn this new method. मतलब पूरा new नहीं है. There is only one step. Like we have rearranged. That's it. So here in time and work chapter, A can do one work in 6 days. B can do the same work in 9 days. In our method, we have 3 steps. Step number 1 is application of LCM. Like we have two numbers 6 and 9, we take LCM of 6 and 9. Now what is LCM of 6 and 9? 18. We take 3 common, 2, 3. See, you have to be fast in LCM of small number. I'm not expecting a LCM of 77 and 81. But at least LCM of 6, 9, 12, 15, 20, this type of number, like you have to calculate fast. So LCM of 6 and 9 is 3 into 2, 6 into 3, 18. See, rather than assume work as 1 or work as X unit, we assume work as 18 unit. We assume let total work is 18 units. And what is this 18? LCM of these two number. 18 आया कहां से? 6 और 9 का LCM. Okay. I tell you, I will explain why 18 in 2-3 examples so that you can understand. So one thing is, rather than assuming work as 1 unit, we assume total work as 18 units. Then step number 2. Per day work of A. Like for example, A can make this 18 unit in 6 days. 18 unit in 6 days. So can we say 18 divided by 6 is 3 units per day? A क्या करेगा? Daily 3 unit बनाएगा. First day 3 unit, second day 3 unit, third day 3 unit. अच्छा, I tell you one thing. ठीक है? Don't assume unit, you assume chairs. थोड़ा और comfortable feel होगा. We assume like total task is to make 18 chair of this type. 18 chair. Okay? Rather than 1 unit, 18 chair. A can make 18 chair in 6 days. So if A can make 18 chair in 6 days, so 18 divided by 6 is, can we check 3 chairs per day? First day 3 chair, second day 3 chair, third day 3 chair, fourth day 3 chair, fifth day 3 chair, sixth day 3 chair. Clear? Similarly, next is per day work of B. If B can make this 18 chair in 9 days, then what is the capacity of B? 2 chair per day. Daily we will make 2 chair. It's like first day 2 chair, second day 2 chair, third day 2 chair. So in 9 days, A will make 18 chair. If both are working together, where A making 3 chair in 1 day, B making 2 chair in 1 day, tell me together they will make how many chair in 1 day? 5 chair per day. I repeat, we don't assume work as 1 unit. I tell you the reason why. We take LCM. What is the LCM of 6 and 9? 18. 18 chair. What is the capacity of A? 3 chair in a day. What is the capacity of B? 2 chair in a day. Together they make 5 chair in a day. Now next is step number 3. So what is our step number 3 here? Number of days we have to find together. They take how many number of days is nothing. It is total work divided by per day work, and it is logical. Like here, if together they have to make 18 chair with a capacity of 5 chair per day, they will take 18 by 5 days, 3.6 days. अगर उनको 18 चेयर बनानी है 5 की कैपेसिटी से, how many days they will take? 18 by 5. And this is our answer. Okay. Now we compare this method with school method. Because some students, they tell me, sir, by taking LCM, you are doing extra method or extra steps. I tell you, no. School method is 1 by A plus 1 by B. What is 1 by A? 1 by 6. What is 1 by B? 1 by 9. Now tell me which calculation is easy to you. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 9 or 3 plus 2? 3 plus 2 is 5. For all of us, number calculation, we are very fast as compared to fraction calculation. This is one of the reasons. मैं नहीं चाह रहा कि calculation में fraction आए. Because fraction we are slow. Number we can add very fast. And second reason is, what is the LCM of 6 and 9? 18. LCM यहाँ पे भी लोगे, but after 2 steps. So rather than taking LCM here after 2 steps, better you take LCM in the very first step. Your calculation will be much easier. So if it is 18, then you multiply with 18, you get 3. You multiply with 18, you get 2. You get 5 by 18. If you can recall school days, teacher might told you have to reverse it. 18 by 5 days. And many students cram. They don't know the logic why we are reversing it. It is 1 day work, and to find number of days, you have to reverse it. But I'm not in favor of this method. I tell you this method. I will discuss 3-4 examples. And why I'm in favor of this method, I tell you. There are miscellaneous questions. Like A can do 1 work in 10 days. B in 20 days, C in 30 days. A worked for 2 days, left the job. Then B joined, worked for 4 days, left the job. Then C joined, worked for 6 days, left the job. Then A rejoined. So this type of question where people, they come, they work for 1 or 2 days, they leave the job, you will get confused how to use 1 by A plus 1 by B method. Whereas this is ND method. It will be much easy or much easier. Okay, so what we will do, type 1, subtype 1. I take 3 examples so that all of you will be comfortable with this 3 step and new method. ज़्यादा न्यू नहीं, बस एलसीएम पहले स्टेप में लेना है. A can do 1 work in 9 days. B can do same work in 18 days. A can do 1 work in 9 days. B can do same work in 18 days. Question is A and B together will take how many days? Step number 1, we take LCM. 18 is multiple of 9. So what is LCM? 18. So let us assume total work is 18 chairs or 18 units. Don't assume 1. You assume LCM. Step number 2 is per day work of A. A can make 18 chair in 9 days, means 2 chair per day. What is the capacity of A? 2 chair per day. First day 2 chair, second day 2 chair, third day 2 chair. Daily A is making 2 chair. Then next is per day work of B. B make 18 chair in 18 days, so capacity of B is 1 chair per day. So this is 1 day work of A, this is 1 day work of B. A make 2 chair, B make 1 chair. School method tell you 1 by 9 plus 1 by 18. Tell me which is easier, 1 by 9 plus 1 by 18 or 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1. So that's why this is better. So 2 plus 1, 3 chair per day. So A and B together, they make 3 chair in a day. Step number 3, total work divided by per day work. Together, they have to make 18 chair with the capacity of 3 chair per day. Then together, they will take how many days? 6 days. I repeat, step 1, we take LCM. Step 2, we find per day work of A, per day work of B. Then step 3, total work divided by per day work of A plus B together. And we get answer. I take one more example. Like for example, A can do 1 work in 36 days. And B can do the same work in 9 days. A take 36 days. B can do the same work here in 9 days. Question is A and B together, they take how many days? Step number 1, we take LCM. What is LCM of 36 and 9? 36. So what we do, we assume total work as 36 chairs. All of you clear? Then step 2 is per day work of A. A make 36 chair in 36 days, means 1 chair per day. Then per day work of B. B make 36 chair in 9 days, means 4 chair per day. A make 1 chair, B make 4 chair. Together they make 5 chair in a day. Next step, total work divided by per day work. So it means they have to make 36 chair with the capacity of 5 chair per day. So your answer is 36 by 5, or you can convert in decimal. It will come 7.2. Now here, one more question, then I ask you one, then I take type 1, subtype 2. Still anyone not comfortable? I take one example, you will understand. A can do 1 work in 30 days. B can do same work in 10 days. It is asked A and B together take how many days? Step number 1, we take LCM. What is LCM of 30 and 10? 30. I tell you, sometime it's not problem with the concept, it is problem with the example. ये मुझे समझ में आया एक्सपीरियंस के साथ. चेयर में इंटरेस्ट नहीं आता लोगों को, ठीक है. It's up to you. You can assume task is to drink 30 beer. ठीक है. कैटेगरी 1 स्टूडेंट, अगर नहीं समझ में आया ध्यान से देखना, आंसर बिल्कुल परफेक्ट आएगा. A, what is the capacity of A? A can drink 30 beer in 30 days, 1 beer per day. Newcomer, welcome to our club. ठीक है, धीरे धीरे कैपेसिटी बनेगी. B, what is the capacity of B? 30 beer in 10 days, so 3 beer per day. Okay, capacity of A, 30 beer in 30 days, 1 beer per day. B, 30 beer in 10 days, 3 beer per day. Together, they are doing party, so 1 plus 3, 4 beer per day. Now tell me, if they have to complete 30 beer together, then how many days they will take? 30 beer with the capacity of 4, 15 by 2 or 7.5 days. अगर यहाँ पे भी गलत आंसर आ रहा है, आपको लानत है उस बियर पे जो आपने पी थी. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट, वो तो साथ में भी खोल के बैठे हो, पता नहीं. अच्छा, अनुभव कह रहा है नशेड़ी है ए एंड बी. लबासना में ना बार है वहां, ठीक है. एंड व्हेन यू गेट सिलेक्टेड एज आईएफएस, जो डिप्लोमेटिक मीटिंग होंगी ना, वहां स्कॉच पिलाई जाएगी आपको, अगर वो आपकी मर्जी है पीनी नहीं पीनी. सबसे अच्छी अल्कोहल पता है कौन सी होती है? ओपी ब्रांड, अदर्स पॉकेट ब्रांड, है ना. ठीक है जी. चलो, आई आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन ऑन टाइप 1, सब टाइप 1. ए कैन डू 1 वर्क in 15 days. B can do same work in 30 days. Together, they take how many days? Keep your answer with yourself. हाँ जी, 10 days. Okay. LCM 30. ठीक है. Then per day work of A, 30 divided by 15, 2 chair per day. B, 30 chair in 30 days, so 1 chair per day. So together 2 plus 3, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 30 divided by 3, 10 days. Fine. Next is type 1, subtype 2. Only the difference in type 1, subtype 1 and subtype 2 is there we have 2%. Here we can have more than 2, 3, 4, 5. I take 3. Like here, A can do 1 work in 12 days. B can do same work in 15 days. C can do same work in 20 days. Then it is asked A, B, C together, they take how many days? We follow the same pattern. There are 3 numbers. We take LCM of 12, 15, 20. What is LCM of 12, 15, 20? 60. Same here. We assume total work as 60 chairs or 60 unit. Then step 2. What is the capacity of a 60 chair in 12 days? Means 5 chair per day. What is the capacity of B? 60 chair in 15 days. So it's like 4 chair per day. What is the capacity of C? 60 chair in 20 days. So it is 3 chair per day. Rather than taking 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20, you can directly say 5 plus 4 plus 3. So together they make 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12 chair in a day. Then step 3, total work divided by per day work. If they have to make 60 chair with the capacity of 12 chair per day, how many days they take? 5 days. This is your answer. Okay. Now you try. I ask you 2 questions. A can do one work in 5 days, B 10 days, C 20 days. A can do one work in 5 days, B 10 days, C 20 days. It is asked A, B, C together. Take how many days? क्या आंसर आया? 20 by 7. What is the LCM of 5, 10, 20? 20, because 20 is the multiple of all the remaining number. We can assume total task 20 chair, capacity of A 20 chair in 5 days, so 4 chair per day. What is the capacity of B? 20 chair in 10 days, so it is 2 chair per day. Capacity of C 20 chair 20 days, 1 chair per day. So 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So your answer is 20 by 7. One more question. A can do one work in 24 days. B can do same work in 6 days. C can do same work in 12 days. Then you have to find A, B, C together and keep your answer with yourself. What is your answer? Some student, like they complain, they are slow in calculation. Okay, one reason I think I told you, lack of practice. ठीक है, टेबल नहीं याद है हमें, स्क्वायर वैल्यू नहीं याद, और हमने प्रैक्टिस नहीं की. जहां भी कैलकुलेशन आते हैं वी स्किप. There is one more reason. Some students they are slow here. I tell you, because I have seen some students they are very sincere, ultra sincere. अब उनकी नोटबुक भी चेक करना है, ऐसा लिखा होगा स्टेप नंबर 1. ठीक है, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एलसीएम, और एलसीएम भी पूरा लिखा होगा लिस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल. देन एलसीएम ऑफ 24, 6, 12. Step number 2. Okay. See, idea is if you write each and everything, you will be slow. You will be slow. And like here, I'm not able to understand why you are writing each and everything for each and every question. See here, 1 or 2 question you write because after 3 months you have to revise. When we are doing multiple example, only 1 or 2 example you have to write each and every step, because in future we have to revise it. Otherwise, do as much as rough work you can do. Okay? Because there are 2 type of candidate. One type of candidate, they write each and everything, having wonderful handwriting, make wonderful notes. And second category of student, they get xerox of that note and get selected. तो आप डिसाइड कर लो आप किसके लिए नोट्स बना रहे हो, खुद के लिए किसी और के लिए। खुद के लिए बनाना है सिर्फ एक दो एग्जाम्पल में पूरा लिखने का है, देन यू डू रफ वर्क, नहीं लिखना है इतना। हमें पता है ना कि एलसीएम ही तो यूज कर रहे हैं, 24 इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 6, 24 इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 12, तो हियर एलसीएम ऑफ 24, 6, 12 हैज टू बी 24, सीधा लिख दो 24 चेयर। देन ए 24 डिवाइडेड बाय 24 1 चेयर पर डे, बी इससे भी कम लिख सकते हो, इट्स डिपेंड ऑन योर कंफर्ट जोन, 4 चेयर पर डे, सी 24 डिवाइडेड बाय 12 2 चेयर पर डे। तो फिर ऐड करना है 1 + 4 5 + 2 7, तो योर आंसर इज 24/7। If you want to be fast, you have to write minimum. एक दो एग्जाम्पल पूरा लिखो स्टेप बाय स्टेप, otherwise you do as much as rough work in your calculation you can do, then only your mind will work fast. क्यों आप माइंड को ऑर्डर दे रहे हो लिखने का, कैलकुलेशन करने का ऑर्डर नहीं दे रहे, you are commanding your mind to, your mind is commanding you to write, तो स्लो ही रहोगे। ओके फाइन, सो आंसर इज 24/7। टाइप 1 सब टाइप 3, what we have done, A given, B given, A plus B ask. अब now we will do one and I take 4 example, क्योंकि मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है इन टाइप 1 सब टाइप 3 स्टूडेंट दे आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल, आई डोंट नो व्हाई, इट इज वेरी इजी। यहाँ पे क्या होगा, A given, A plus B given, B alone ask. Like I can do one task in 10 days. We both together can do the same task in 6 days. He alone will take how many days? इस तरह का क्वेश्चन है। A alone given, A plus B given, B alone is asked. Okay. In your handout, I think all of you got one handout today. Online student, we have uploaded handout for time and work. Question number 6. A man can do a piece of work in 5 days, but with the help of his son, he can do it in 3 days. In how much time can the son do it alone? ठीक है, I write, क्या लिखा है इसमें, A man can do a piece of work in 5 days. With the help of son, मतलब man plus son both can do that work in 3 days. What is our son alone? So can we say A given, A plus B given, B alone asked. I will not teach you new method, we use the same method. There are two number 5 and 3, we take LCM of 5 and 3. What is LCM of 5 and 3? 15, because co-prime number. So what we do, we assume let total task is 15 chairs. I repeat, here it is given man alone take 5 days, man and son together take only 3 days, son alone is asked. We have taken LCM of 5 and 3, 15 chair. Step number 2, this man alone can make 15 chair in 5 days. It means capacity of man is 3 chair per day. Man की capacity क्या होगी, 3 chair in a day. Son we don't know, that we have to find. Capacity of son is X chair per day. वही तो क्वेश्चन है, son की capacity तो निकालनी है. Man and son together, they can make 15 chair in 3 days. Together in 3 days. So if you divide it, it is 5 chair in a day. I repeat, we assume total work 15 chair. Man can make 15 chair in 5 days, means 3 chair in a day. Son X chair in a day. Man and son 3 plus X 5 chair in a day. Okay? 15 divided by 3, 5 chair. We have to solve for X. Logically think, man and son together they can make 5 chair. Out of that, man make 3 chair. What is the capacity of sun? 2, because 3 plus 2 is 5. So capacity of sun here is 2 chair in a day. Some student they write answer 2 days. It is not 2 days. It is 2 chair in a day. If sun alone has to do this work, 15 chair with a capacity of 2 chair in a day. So sun alone will take how many days? 7.5 days. अभी तो कैपेसिटी है, सन डेली 2 चेयर बना सकता है. अगर सन को 15 चेयर बनानी है तो उसको कितना टाइम लगेगा? 7.5 days. Wait, if you still not understood, I give you one example, then it will be comfortable to you. Same, man 5 days, man and sun 3 days, sun alone we have to find. What is the LCM of 5 and 3? 15. So rather than taking 15 chair, you assume 15 beer. This man alone can drink 15 beer in 5 days. So what is the capacity of man? 3 beer per day. Man asked his son to join. Son was waiting for the offer only. How many of you drink with your father or mother? नहीं बताऊंगा घर पे. I always believe in this, like father and kids, they have together. But it is the different case. My father never entertained me. And that's why nowadays I never entertain my father. Acha, I tell you. If your parents ask you to join, I tell you there are 2 reasons behind that. Okay, be careful. पहला reason, they want to know what's your capacity. ठीक है, तुम कितने बिगड़े हो. दूसरा reason, they want to have your secret. But I know you are mature enough, rather than you tell your secret, you get your father's secret. ठीक है, मुझे लग रहा है तुम 1-2 पैक उनको ज्यादा पिला के 50,000 रुपए निकलवा लोगे वहां से. अब देखो, man and son 15 beer in 3 days. So can we say 5 beer per day? तो अब मैन दिमाग लगाएगा कि हम दोनों ने मिलके 5 बियर पी और मैंने 3 पी, तो सन की कैपेसिटी क्या है? कैन वी फाइंड कैपेसिटी ऑफ सन? मैन एंड सन टुगेदर दे हैड 5 बियर इन अ डे एंड मैन 3. तो रिमेनिंग कैपेसिटीज ऑफ सन, तो व्हाट इज कैपेसिटी ऑफ सन? 2 beer per day. Because 3 plus x is 5, so it is 2 beer per day. There is a stock of 15 beer at home. Father went out of the city. तो अभी सन को अकेले ही पीनी पड़ेगी मजबूरन. With a capacity of 2 beer per day. तो sun alone will take how much time? 7.5 days. So if you know the capacity of man and sun, you know the capacity of man, you can easily find capacity of sun, then you can find your answer. Let me take 2-3 more examples. Question number 7 in our handout. A woman can do a piece of work in 15 days. But with the help of her daughter, तो इसमें ऐड क्यों करेंगे अथर्व? 3 plus x is equal to 5. इसमें अगर करना भी है तो you have to do this. 3 plus x is equal to 5. Take 3 other side, x is equal to 5 minus 3 2. यहाँ इसको ही तो निकालना है, जो ऐड करना था वही तो निकालना है. Wait, let me take 2 more example. A woman can do a piece of work in 15 days, but with the help of her daughter, she can do it in 5 days. In how much time can the daughter do it alone? So here, this woman alone can do a piece of work in 15 days. With the help of her daughter, she can do it in 5 days. It is as daughter alone. Same thing, there are 2 numbers, 15 and 5, we take LCM. What is LCM of 15 and 5? 15. 14. 15. So we assume task 15 chair, 15 chocolate, or you can assume 15 beer. Why should boys have all the fun? This time this lady and daughter will enjoy. Woman 15 beer in 15 days, 1 beer per day. Daughter we take X beer in per day. Woman plus daughter 15 beer in 5 days, so 3 beer per day. So can we say the capacity of woman is 15 divided by 15, 1 beer per day. Capacity of woman and daughter together 3 beer per day. So we have to find daughter. So 1 plus X is equal to 3. So what is the value of X? 2 beer per day, double than mother. So what is the capacity of this daughter here? 2 per day. So total work divided by capacity or per day work. So daughter alone takes 7.5 days. Or you can assume 15 chair. Woman alone make 1 chair per day. Woman and daughter 3 chair per day. Daughter alone 2 chair per day. 15 divided by 2, you get your answer 7.5. Okay, I solve one more question for you, then I ask you to solve. Question number 8. A and B together can complete a piece of work in 4 days. A alone can complete it in 12 days. B alone is asked. So you have two numbers, 12 and 4. We take LCM. What is LCM of 12 and 4? 12. So we assume total task 12 chair. A can make 12 chair in 12 days, means 1 chair per day. B X, क्योंकि B तो निकालना है. A plus B, they make 12 chair in 4 days. 12 divided by 4, 3 chair per day. So it is 1 plus X is equal to 3. X here is 2 chair per day. So what is the capacity of B? 2 chair in a day. If B has to make all this 12 chair alone with a capacity of 2 chair per day, B alone will take how many days? 6 days. So if you have A with you, A plus B with you, we can find capacity of B and then we can solve our question. Now you try, if you have handout with you, question number 9. Otherwise, I will show you on the board. Question number 9 here. Ajay, Vijay together can complete a piece of work in 4 days. If Ajay alone can complete the same work in 8 days, in how many days can Vijay alone complete that work? विजय का फोन आ गया. चल बियर पीते हैं टाइप. And I ask you like one thing, offline and hybrid student जो क्लास में आते हैं, जो घर पे वो जो मर्जी करे, you can keep your phone on vibration mode. There are two benefits. One is other will not get disturbed. ठीक है? And one benefit is if someone will call you, you got some massage also. ठीक है? क्या आंसर आया? Ajay and Vijay together can complete a piece of work in 4 days. If Ajay alone can complete the same work in 8 days, in how many days can Vijay alone complete that work? All of you. 3 एग्जाम्पल लिया, अभी भी नहीं हो रहा है क्या? विजय आज बियर पिला के ही मानेगा. Ajay, Vijay together can complete a piece of work in 4 days. Ajay 8 days. Vijay alone is asked. What is the LCM of 8 and 4? 8. We assume total work 8 chair. Ajay 8 divided by 8, 1 chair per day. Vijay we don't know. Vijay X. Ajay plus Vijay 8 divided by 4, 2 chair per day. So it is 1 plus X is equal to 2. value of X here is 1 chair per day. If Vijay alone has to make 8 chair with a capacity of 1 chair, so Vijay alone take how many days? 8 days. Done. Now next is any doubt in type 1. I have taken detail type 1, subtype 1, type 1, subtype 2, type 1, subtype 3. Next is type 2. Type 2 is like question number 14, 15, 16. First you read question number 14. A and B together can complete a piece of work in 15 days. B and C together in 20 days. C and A together in 30 days. They are not saying A, they are saying A and B together. They are saying B and C together. They are saying C and A together. And after that, there can be 4 questions. In question number 14, it is mentioned A, B, C together. Next question, it is mentioned A alone, B alone, C alone. So I write here, question number 14, information given here is A and B together can do a piece of work in 15 days. B and C together, 20 days. C and A together, 30 days. We have 4 questions. A, B, C together, A alone, B alone, C alone. I'm taking 4 questions at a time, so it will be a lengthy process, but I will take step by step. Okay? And we will practice similar question also. We follow the same pattern, LCM. 15, 20, 30. So we take LCM of 15, 20, 30, 60. LCM is 60. So we assume let total work is 60 chairs. Then step number 2, per day work of A and B, क्योंकि दोनों मिलके काम कर रहे हैं. They make 60 chair in 15 days, means 4 chair per day. This is first equation. A and B, they make 60 chair in 15 days, so it's like 4 chair in a day. B and C, 60 chair in 20 days, so it is 3 chair per day. Daily 3 chair. Then C and A, 60 chair in 30 days, so it's 2 chair per day. Okay. Easy. LCM liya. Then we find the capacity of A and B, B and C, C and A. Any doubt? Now we add this. Student mistake, like here student, what mistake they do? They write A plus B plus C. But it is 2A, 2B, 2C. क्योंकि A 2 बार आ रहा है, B 2 बार आ रहा है, C 2 बार. 2A, 2B, 2C. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9 chair per day. Take 2 this side. So A, B, C, 9 by 2 chair per day. Means 4.5 chair per day. This is equation number 4. As some students, they do mistake. They write A, B, C 4.5 days. It is not 4.5 days. It is 4.5 chair in a day. अभी तो ये कैपेसिटी ये दिन नहीं आए, दिन तीसरे स्टेप में निकलते हैं, ये तो दूसरा ही स्टेप है. It is the capacity of A, B, C together. They make 4.5 chair in a day. Take time to understand this. After that, I take question one by one. We know capacity of A and B 4 chair per day. Capacity of B and C 3 chair per day. Capacity of C and A 2 chair per day. Capacity of A, B, C 4.5 और 9 by 2 chair per day. जब कैपेसिटी आ जाती है फिर उस इंफॉर्मेशन की जरूरत नहीं. Question number 1. A, B, C together. What we assume total work? 60 chair. So our question is together they have to make 60 chair with the capacity of 9/2 or 4.5. It's up to you. कुछ भी ले लो, सॉल्व तो करना ही पड़ेगा. 9/2 इसको उल्टा कर दो. 60 into 2/9, 120/9, 40/3 days. इसका मतलब ए बी सी मिलके 40/3 डेज लेंगे, क्योंकि टोटल वर्क रिमेन 60 चेयर जो हमने एज्यूम किया था. ए बी सी 60 चेयर कितने दिन में बनाएंगे अगर वो डेली 4.5 चेयर बना रहे हैं? दैट इज द आंसर. तो 60/4.5. उसके बाद तो सॉल्व ही करना ना. उनको 60 चेयर बनानी है, उनकी कैपेसिटी 4.5 चेयर इन 1 डे. क्लियर? Question number 2, A alone. Let me ask you a question. I have to find A alone take how many days? For that I have to find capacity of A. A daily कितनी chair बनाएगा? I have this information. So tell me how I can find. 4.5 minus 3. क्यों? क्योंकि A, B, C is 4.5, B and C is 3, जो बचा वो A. और category 1 student, what you can do? Equation number 4 minus equation number 2. Equation number 4 minus equation number 2. क्यों? You have A, B, C, you have B, C, B और C cancel, बच जाएगा A. Capacity of A, B, C is 4.5 chair in a day. Capacity of B and C is 3 chair in a day. Minus B and C cancel. A will be 1.5 chair per day. Tell me it is 1.5 days or 1.5 chair per day? 1.5 chair per day. अब A को अगर 60 चेयर बनानी है with the capacity of 1.5 chair per day, तो 60 chair with the capacity of 1.5 we can solve it. या तो इसको 15/10 ले लो और multiply with 2, divide with 2, 120 divided by 3, 40 days. A alone take 40 days. I repeat, directly we don't know what is the capacity of A. We know capacity of A, B, C. We know capacity of B and C. Put the value of B and C here, you get capacity of A. 4.5 is the capacity of A, B, C. 3 is the capacity of B and C. तो A अकेले की capacity आ जाएगी. Equation number 4 minus equation number 2. Or you put the value of B and C here, you get the value of A. आपको A plus B plus C की value पता है, और you know the value of B plus C, you can find value of A. Now here B alone. You know capacity of A is 1.5 chair. Can we put value of A? We get value of B. वो भी कर सकते हो. So here next question is B alone. First equation, A plus B, they together can make 4 chair in a day. After this I will repeat step by step for category 1. फिर हम similar question practice भी करेंगे. A की value है 1.5. तो what is the capacity of B? 4 minus 1.5, so it is 2.5 chair per day. If B alone has to make 60 chair with the capacity of 2.5, solve this, you get answer. B alone will take 60/2.5. Let me repeat step by step. In question, it is given A and B 15 days, B and C 20 days, C and A 30 days. I have taken LCM 60. Then capacity of A and B 60 divided by 15, 4 chair per day. Capacity of B and C 60 divided by 20, 3 chair per day. C and A 60 divided by 30, 2 chair per day. If you add, you get 2A, 2B, 2C, 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9 chair per day. A B C will come 9/2 और 4.5. ये अभी कैपेसिटी है. Then we have to find A B C together. They have to make 60 chair with the capacity of 9/2. You will get answer 60 upon 9/2. A alone के लिए you need capacity of A B C 4.5, B and C 3. Put the value of B and C, you get value of A 1.5. Your answer is 60 upon 1.5. Put the value of A, you get capacity of B, then 60 upon capacity of B. Total work divided by capacity, that is your answer actually. Let us try. Go slow. If you get stuck, this solution is in front of you. Question number 17, 18, 19. Okay. In handout, question number 17, 18, 19. Go slow. Don't be in hurry. Step by step. Question number 17 is A and B can do a work in 12 days. B and C 15 days. C and A 20 days. A, B, C together. A alone and B alone. A and B 12 days, B and C 15 days, C and A 20 days. Try. Online student, offline student. तो ये इंसान 5 मिनट पहले चिल्ला रहा था एलसीएम ऑफ 12, 15, 20, 60 अब निकाल रहा है. क्या आंसर आ रहा है? A and B 12 days, B and C 15 days, C and A 20 days. Okay, LCM. What is LCM of 12, 15, 20? 60. We assume total work 60 chair. Then capacity of A and B, they make 60 chair in 12 days, means 5 chair per day. This is first equation. B and C 60 chair in 15 days, means 4 chair per day. This is equation number 2. C and A 60 chair in 20 days, so it is 3 chair per day. This is equation number 3. When we add, we don't get A plus B plus C, it is 2A, 2B, 2C. अगर नहीं सॉल्व कर पाए, देखो किस स्टेप पे जाके अटके हो. 2A, 2B, 2 seat. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12 chair per day. तो A B C 12 divided by 2 6 chair per day. Don't say 6 days. This is capacity. Then our first question is A B C together. A B C together they have to make 60 chair with a capacity of 6 chair per day 10 days. Next question, A alone. For that you have to use equation number 4 and equation number 2. Equation number 4 is A, B, C 6 chair in a day. Equation number 2, B and C 4 chair in a day. Minus, minus, minus. Capacity of A is coming 2 chair in a day. If A alone has to make 60 chair with a capacity of 2, A alone take 30 days. Then we find B alone. Take first equation A and B 5. Put the value of A 2. B की कैपेसिटी आ जाएगी 2 plus B is equal to 5. Capacity of B is 5 minus 2 3 chair per day. तो B alone make 3 chair per day. If B alone has to make 60 chair with the capacity of 3, B alone take 20 days. Check where you got stuck step by step. ठीक है. Next is type 3. Type 3 is where people they come, they live in between or they join in between. मतलब ऐसा होगा या तो बीच में काम छोड़ के जाएंगे या बीच से काम ज्वाइन करेंगे या मूडी लोग कभी आए नहीं आए that type of things. Okay, not regular. Type 3. Before I take question from the handout, let us practice one question on type 3. You can write. A can do one work in 20 days. B can do same work in 30 days. A alone started the work. लिख लो. A alone started the work. Work for 12 days. And left the job. A आया अकेले 12 दिन काम किया और चला गया. Find B alone will complete the remaining work in how many days? हाँ सौरभ वो कर सकते हो, नहीं तो a प्लस बी की वैल्यू थी उसमें से a वैल्यू पुट करके b भी आ रही थी सौरभ उसमें. अब इस क्वेश्चन पे ध्यान दो. a 12 दिन काम किया छोड़ गया, फिर b बचा हुआ काम अकेले कितने दिन में कंप्लीट करेगा? टेक योर टाइम. फर्स्ट यू ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, I tell you how to handle it. Okay. A can do one work in 20 days. B 30 days. School method is not handy. Our LCM method is really wonderful. What is LCM? Acha, I tell you, LCM method is useful for type 1, type 2, type 3. We have variety of type, around 7 type I will discuss, but there are more than 50 types. But I'm taking 7 type, 98 to 99% of time and work coverage we are doing in class. मतलब 99% chances question इन्हीं coverage से आएगा. But there are other type like type 4 and other types also where we use some other method other than LCM. स्टूडेंट को लगता है कि जैसे पीसीसी अगर परसेंटेज में पढ़ लिया तो 100% क्वेश्चन पीसीसी से. Good, LCM method is one of the good method, but we have other technique also for other type of questions. But यहाँ पे LCM काम करेगा. What is LCM of 20 and 30? 60. We assume total work 60 chair. Then what is the capacity of A? A can make 60 chair in 20 days, means 3 chair per day. What is the capacity of B? 60 chair in 30 days, means 2 chair per day. A 3 chair per day, B 2 chair per day. I tell you, for this type of question, this is like wonderful thing. You will say A work for 2 days, daily A will make 3 chair. Once I know 1 day work of A, 1 day work of B, you cannot threaten me कि saying कि A एक और दिन काम करेगा, 2 दिन करेगा, 4 दिन करेगा. Whatever number of days A is working, I can directly find what work A has done. फिर उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता ए 2 दिन काम करे, 4 दिन करे, 6 दिन करे. I can directly find how much work A has done. See, I tell you, you assume there are 60 chocolate. A alone can eat 3 chocolate in a day, B 2 chocolate in a day. After that, you can handle any miscellaneous question where people they come, they live in between, they join in between, they work for some days, they left the work, doesn't matter. Now, how come? I tell you. According to question, A alone started the work and worked for 12 days. Daily A make 3 chair or A eat 3 chocolate. In 12 days, how many chocolate A will eat? 36 chocolate. A daily आएगा 3 चॉकलेट खाएगा. 12 दिन में कितनी चॉकलेट खा लेगा? 36. Then A left the chocolate. Total work 60. Out of 60, 36 chocolate eaten by A. What are the remaining chocolate? 24. And who will eat remaining 24 chocolate? B. What is the capacity of B? Daily 2 chocolate. So B will take how many days to complete the remaining work? 12 days. जब हमें ए का एक दिन का काम पता है, ए एक दिन काम करे, 2 दिन करे, 4 दिन करे, we can directly find how much work A is done. Daily A is eating 3 chocolate. A eat chocolate for 12 days. So we can say in 12 days A is eating 36 chocolate. Total work 60 chocolate. What is the remaining work? 24 chocolate. B has to do with a capacity of 2 chocolate. So B take 12 days for the remaining work. Let us try one more question. A can do one work. भाई बी डेली 2 चॉकलेट खा रहा है या बी डेली 2 बियर पी रहा है. 24 बियर कितने दिन में पिएगा? ये है बाय 2. डेली आप लक्ष्मीकांत के 2 चैप्टर पढ़ रहे हो, 24 चैप्टर पढ़ने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? 12 दिन लगाऊंगा. A can do one work in 10 days. B can do same work in 40 days. Right? A can do one work in 10 days. B can do same work in 40 days. A alone started the work for 4 days, and left the job. ठीक है, find in how many days B alone will complete the remaining work. Try, you can't be dependent on me. ठीक है, एग्जाम में मैं नहीं हेल्प करूंगा आपकी. हाँ बिल्कुल. हाँ जी, आया आंसर? क्या आया? 24 days. लास्ट में इस तरफ 24. So we take LCM. What is LCM of 10 and 40? 40. We assume 40 chocolate. A can eat 40 chocolate in 10 days, means 4 chocolate per day. B can eat 40 chocolate in 40 days, means 1 chocolate per day. A alone started the work for 4 days, daily 4 chocolate, so it means 16 chocolate. What is the remaining work? 40 minus 16, 24 chocolate. B is eating daily 1 chocolate, so B alone take how many days for the remaining work? 24 days. Now in type 3 in my handout we have alternate day work question, and similar question has been asked by UPSC. Alternate, like A and B are working on alternate day. Well, the first day I'm working, second day he is working, third day I'm working, fourth day he is working, fifth day I'm working, sixth day he is working. Like we have question number 20 in our handout. One question I will solve, one you have to attempt. Let me solve first. A and B can do a piece of work in 10 and 20 days respectively. If both are working on alternate day, in how many days the work will be done? There are two. If A start the work, if B start the work. Some students, they get the same answer for both questions. Then why I have asked two different questions? See here, let me take this. We will have different answer and one by one I take. पहली कंडीशन जब A काम स्टार्ट करता है, दूसरी कंडीशन जब B स्टार्ट करता है. ओके, so here it is given A and B can do a piece of work in 10 and 20 days respectively. A 10 days, B 20 days. They work on alternate day. In how many days the work will be done? If A start the work, if B start the work. Same thing, LCM. What is LCM of 10 and 20? 20. We assume total work 20 chairs. What is the capacity of A? 20 chair in 10 days. So it is 2 chair per day. What is the capacity of B? 20 chair in 20 days. So 1 chair per day. It's like I have given contract of 20 chair to these two brother A and B. You can say contractor is like Kalin Bhaiya. This is Guddu Pandit, Bablu Pandit. Guddu Pandit can make 2 chair in a 1 day and Bablu Pandit 1 chair in a day. But they put a condition कि हम दोनों एक साथ काम नहीं करेंगे. Like we will work on alternate day. एक को घर भी चलाना टाइम. So our first part is if A starts the work. Okay, I solve with very simple method, which is 6 standard method. मतलब, and I will take UPSC previous year question also after this question. 2021 के बाद हम यूपीएससी वाला क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व करेंगे. See here, it's like manual approach and wonderful also. ठीक है. Maybe at your like in your childhood you have seen your parents given some contract to a labor and maintaining the chart. आपके parents chart maintain कर रहे हैं. Same we will do. First day, second day, third day, fourth day, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. But before we start, idea is total task is 20 chair. See, Kalin Bhaiya will not let them to prepare less than 20 chair. उनको 20 चेयर से कम में जाने नहीं देंगे और 20 से ज्यादा वो बनाएंगे नहीं. तो इसका मतलब जैसे ही 20 चेयर आएगी we will stop. If A start the work, can we say first day A work, B is on leave, second day B work, A is on leave. यही तो अल्टरनेट है. A B A B A B A B and total task 20 chair. I repeat 10 20 LCM 20, capacity of A 2 chair per day, capacity of B 1 chair per day. First day A will make 2 chair, second day B is making 1 chair, then 2 chair 1 chair 2 chair 1 chair. I prefer if I have to count, I count in pair क्योंकि A और B का एक पेयर बन रहा है. 3 chair 6 chair 9 chair 9 plus 3 12 12 plus 3 15 15 plus 3 18. ठीक है. अभी एक बार रुकते हैं. देख लो ए बी ए बी ए बी ए बी ए बी ए बी. ए मेक 2 chair, B make 1 chair, 2 chair 1 chair, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3. या अगर ऐसे ही काउंट करना है ऐसे भी कर लो. 2 plus 1 3 5 6 7 sorry 8 9 11 12 14 15 18. After 18 chairs, like कालिन भैया asked these people to have meeting. बैठक बुलाई उन्होंने. पूछा कितना काम हो गया. बोले कि 18 चेयर डन. That means still 2 chair remaining. Then the 13th day, then Guddu Pandit come. बोला हम अपने बाप की नहीं सुनते, तुम हो ही कौन. 2 ही चेयर बची हैं. 20 में से out of 20 18 chair done. What is the remaining work? 2 chair. On the 13th day, Guddu Pandit make 2 chair or A make 2 chair. Work done. Complete. Check. 20 chair done. So it means if A start the work, answer is 13 days. 13 days. Let me take one more question. B start step by step so that you will be more comfortable. Next part of the question is if B start. Don't think answer will be same. Let us check. अगर उसी की जगह B पहले दिन काम स्टार्ट करे तो क्या होगा. So it's like first day B, second day A, B A B A B A B A B A and so on. What is the capacity of B? 1 chair. First day B make 1 chair. Here A make 2 chair. 1 chair, 2 chair, 1 chair, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's like 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. थोड़ा पोज देना, मतलब जब वर्क खत्म होने वाला हो ना, बी केयरफुल. 13th day, 2 chair remaining. After A, who will come? B. What is the remaining work? 2 chair. What is the capacity of B? 1 chair. So we ask B to make 2 chair. B told I will not do. B बोल शाम को पोहा मिलेगा. I will not do. 100 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगा नाइट. See, I tell you one thing. after your selection or like once you will have a team under you. एक आपको एक strategy बताता हूँ. Sometimes we think like if we give incentive, they will work hard. There is a saying, incentive घोड़ों के लिए काम करता है, गधों के लिए नहीं काम करता. If your staff is already working up to their skill, then incentive is total waste. Like here, if they are performing under their performance, like here under their skill, कि मान लो उनकी कैपेसिटी नहीं है, they don't have capacity to work beyond that. Whatever you do, you give incentive, they can't do because they don't have skill. They don't have like here efficiency beyond that. तो बी को कुछ कर लो, बी एक ही चेयर बनाएगा क्योंकि कैपेसिटी ऑफ बी इज ओनली वन चेयर. So here 14th day A will work, but only remaining work is one chair. Capacity of A is 2 chair. So A will not waste full day. A will work for half day. Like for example, in a day you can read 2 chapters of Lakshmikant, and any particular day you have only 1 chapter to read. So half day you work, half day you can go for movie. स्त्री 2 देखा ना या कुछ और ही देखा ना. Like I can take 2 lecture in a day. At any particular day, I have only 1 lecture to take. So half day I have work, half day I can enjoy. So here it is half day work. So answer will be, if we start the work, answer is 13.5 days or 13.5 days. ये ध्यान देना, मतलब 13.5 days. क्योंकि A will not waste full day. A के लिए आधे दिन का ही काम है. In full day, A can make 2 chair. A have only 1 chair to make. So remaining work divided by capacity. So 3.5 days. You try question number 21. Yes, that will be better क्योंकि ये UPSC level question ना या ऐसे ही better है. Otherwise कोई direct shortcut तो नहीं है, but यहाँ तक directly जा सकते हो. पहले ये try करो. Question number 21. Arjun can do a piece of work in 10 days. Arvind can do the same work in 30 days. If both are working alternatively, in how many days will they complete the work? There are 2 parts. If Arjun start the work, second part is if Arvind start the work. Fine. 14.66, 15.33. I take. What is the LCM of 10 and 30? 30. So we assume total work 30 chairs. What is the capacity of Arjun? 30 chair in 10 days. So 3 chair per day. What is the capacity of Arvind? 30 chair in 30 days. So it's like 1 chair per day. First day, second day, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Arjun, Arvind. If first part, if Arjun start the work. So Arjun will make 3 chair, Arvind 1 chair. 3 chair, 1 chair, 3 chair, 1 chair, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. So this is 4 plus 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. 14 days, 28 chair over. Remaining work 2 chair. 15th day, after Arvind, Arjun will work. Remaining 2, Arjun can make 3 chair. So you can write 14 complete day, 2/3 of the 15 day. Or how to write it? 2 by 3 is 0.66. So it's like 14.66 days. It depends on the language of question. If question suggests in how many days, then your answer is 14.66. In how many days? If the question is on which day, then answer will be 15th day. ये दिन कौन सा है? 15वां दिन. On which day the work has been done? 15th day. In how many days? Exact 14.66. Similarly, if it is asked if Arvind start the work, first day Arvind will work, second day Arjun. When Arvind work 1 chair, Arjun 3 chair. 1 chair, 3 chair, 1 chair, 3 chair. Okay. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Out of 30, 28 chair done, remaining chair 2. After 3 chair, उसके बाद काम करेगा Arvind can make 1 chair. So here 1 chair remaining. After that Arjun work, 1 remaining, capacity 3. So 15 complete, 1/3 of the 16th day. Or you can write 15.33, or if question is on which day the work is done, 16th day. I ask you question asked in 2023 prelims based on the same pattern. I write on board. Write this question: A, B, C. Working independently can do a piece of work in 8, 16, and 12 days respectively. A alone works on Monday. B alone works on Tuesday. C alone works on Wednesday. A alone again works on Thursday, and so on. एंड सो ऑन मतलब कि फ्राइडे को बी, सैटरडे को सी. हाँ, वो मैं बताऊंगा बाद में. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट. Statement number 1, the work will be finished on Thursday. Second statement, work will be finished in 10 days. Which of the above statement is are correct? One only, both, two only, neither. One only. अच्छा, बी आंसर है टू ओनली, सी आंसर है बोथ, डी आंसर है नीदर वन नॉट टू. ओके, ही आज संडे. ठीक है, यूपीएससी वालों के लिए संडे कोई छुट्टी नहीं होती है. सी आइडिया इज देर इज ए डाउट कि संडे वर्किंग लेना है, नहीं, until unless it is a Sundays off, Sundays working. तो you have to take Sundays working for these people. संडे को जिसकी ड्यूटी है वो काम करेगा. टेक योर टाइम. 3 लोग हैं, ठीक है, मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे, देन थर्सडे फ्राइडे सैटरडे, देन संडे मंडे ट्यूसडे, लाइक दिस. 3 दिन का पैटर्न बनेगा. मैनुअल इज द बेस्ट अप्रोच फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. Check statement correct, 1, 2, both, neither. डन. क्या आंसर आया तुम्हारा? कर ही गलत रहे हो तुम बहुत कुछ. थर्सडे को काम खत्म हो रहा है, और कितने दिन में हो रहा है? 11 दिन में. तो इसका मतलब पहली स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है, दूसरी रॉन्ग है. वन ओनली. लेट अस चेक. A 8, B 16, C 12. 8, 16, 12 we have to take LCM. ठीक है, टेक 4 कॉमन. पहले 2 ले लो, नहीं तो फिर गलती होने के चांसेस है. 4, 8, 6, टेक 2 कॉमन. 2, 4, 3, टेक 2 कॉमन. 1, 2, 3. दिस इज 8, 16, 48. तो टोटल वर्क इज 48 चेयर. A can do in 8 days, so capacity of A is 48 divided by 8, 6 chair per day. B can do work in 16 days, 48 divided by 16, 3 chair per day. C can do in 12 days, 48 divided by 12, 4 chair per day. After that, we have to make chart. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Here A will work, B, C, A, B, C. If it is not mentioned Sunday off है तो Sunday we take working. A, B, C, A, B, C. A will make 6 chair, B will make 3 chair, C make 4 chair. Here don't take pair of 2 क्योंकि अब 3 दिन का साइकिल है. We have a cycle of 3 days. 6, 3, 4. So you take one cycle of 3 days. 6 plus 3, 9, plus 4, 13, plus 13, 26, plus 13, 13. So out of 48, 39 chair done. What is the remaining chair? 9 chair. 6 plus 3, 9 chair in 2 days. So your work is completed on Thursday. 3 plus 3, 6, 9 plus 2, 11 days. They complete the work in 11 days, not 10 days. So that's why your second statement is wrong. First statement is correct. Work is completed on Thursday. Fine. Clear? Next is type 4. Now before I take type 4, I tell you we have three concepts. One is efficiency, second concept is time, third is wages. So we have to see relationship in this. Relationship in time and efficiency. We have to see the relationship in efficiency and wages like this. 2024 पे देखना पड़ेगा अभी पेपर में. Okay, so we will see relationship in efficiency and time first. कि efficiency और time में direct relation है कि inverse relation, that we have to check. I give you one statement. A is double efficient than B. A is twice efficient than B, like that. A is double efficient than B, A is twice efficient than B. Who is more efficient? A, double, twice. See, logically we can say if A is more efficient, A will take less time. Otherwise, there is no use of efficiency. If you are more efficient, you will do work in less time. If you are less efficient, you will work in more time. Double efficient means will take half time. So the concept here is, if you are more efficient, you will take less time. If you are less efficient, you will take more time. So what relationship we have in efficiency and time is, efficiency is inversely proportional to time. This is our first relation. Today I tell you this three relationship and I will discuss question number 26. Type 4 I will discuss tomorrow. ठीक है कि अभी थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाएगा आप लोगों के लिए. पहला रिलेशन तो ये हो गया. सेकंड इज A is double efficient than B. If you are more efficient, tell me you deserve more wages or less wages? More. If you are more efficient, more wages, less efficient, less wages. So can we say efficiency is directly proportional to wages? जो ज्यादा efficient उसको ज्यादा wages, जो कम efficient उसको कम wages. उसको कहते हैं direct relation. ठीक है. I can explain directly inversely relationship, like if you study for more hour, chances that you get selected. Okay? If you sleep for more hour, it is inversely proportional. Okay? But adequate sleep is required. Okay? Mind के proper working के लिए. Fine. Efficiency is inversely proportional to time, and efficiency is directly proportional to wages. Any doubt in this? Those are from science background, they can connect these two, and it's not rocket science. Easy भी है arts background के लिए भी. देखो, wages is directly proportional to efficiency, and efficiency is inversely proportional to time. So what relationship you can make in wages and time? Inversely proportional. Wages and time inversely proportional. I will explain to arts background student, a humanities student. Explain भी कर देता हूँ. A can do one work in 10 days, B in 20 days. A can do one work in 10 days. Means A is faster. A fast है. Can we say if A is faster, A deserve more wages? So A deserve more wages, B deserve less wages. Less time, more wages, more time, less wages. Inverse proportion. Student, they get confused. I tell you how you can recall these three relationships in exam. You always compare yourself with your friend and you take yourself more efficient. Okay? You are more efficient, then you will take less time. If you are more efficient, you deserve more wages or less? More. So efficiency is directly proportional to wages. If you take less time, means you are faster. If you are faster, you deserve more wages. So you write this three relationship. We will do question on this tomorrow. Okay? But before that, come to question number 26. It is related to type 2, but I give a shortcut for this question. What is your homework? Question number 1 to 21. Whatever question I have not discussed in the class, you have to try. Don't try 22, 23, 24, 25 because this I have to discuss tomorrow. Question number 26. A and B can do a piece of work in 4 days. B and C can do it in 5 days. C and A can do it in 7 days. Same like type 2. A and B, B and C, C and A. But they are not asking A, B, C together take how many days, A alone, B alone, C alone. What is the question? Who among these will take the least time if put to do it alone? Who among these will take the least time if put to do it alone? A alone, B alone, C alone cannot be determined. I tell you, we can manage this question in just 10 seconds. One method is you follow type 2. Type 2 क्या कहता है? You take LCM of 4, 5, 7. Then you find capacity of A and B, B and C, C and A. Then you get 2A, 2B, 2C. Then you find ABC, A alone, B alone, C alone, which is time consuming. Will take nearly 4 to 5 minutes. But here they are not asking A take how many days, B take how many days, C take how many days. They are just asking the comparison. Who among these will take the least time if put to do it alone? See, we apply logic. These are 3 number, 4, 5, 7. Tell me out of these 3 number, 2 lesser number. 4 days and 5 days. Then we see this combination, A and B take 4 days, B and C take 5 days. These are the 2 combination taking less number of days, A and B together taking 4 days, B and C taking 5 days. Tell me in this 2 combination who is common? B. So you can conclude because of B they are taking less number of days. 100% accuracy. You can say B alone take least time. ये जो B है उसी की वजह से वो कम दिन ले रहे हैं. Don't have doubt because A and C take maximum days. अगर आपको डाउट है कि A और C के बारे में, A और C मिलके तो सबसे ज्यादा दिन ले रहे हैं. I repeat, A and B 4, B and C 5, C and A 7. Out of this 3 number, take 2 lesser number. You have 4 and 5 days. You have combination A and B, B and C. In this combination, who is common? B. So it is because of B they are taking less number of days. So you can conclude B alone take the least time. In the same question, if it is asked who alone take the maximum number of days. Maximum number of days. In this combination, take 2 number which are higher. 5 and 7. B and C take 5 days. C and A take 7 days. Who is common? C. तो C take maximum number of days alone. B सबसे कम ले रहा है. C take maximum number of days. Let us try. Ram and Shyam can do work in 12 days. Shyam and Ghanshyam can do work in 20 days. Ram and Ghanshyam can do work in 15 days. Ram and Shyam together 12 days. Shyam and Ghanshyam 20 days. Ram and Ghanshyam 15 days. My question is who among these will take the least time if put to do it alone? Take 2 lesser number, 12 and 15. What is the combination? Ram and Shyam, Ram and Ghanshyam. In this combination, who is common? Ram. So Ram alone take least number of days. If they ask how many days, there is no shortcut. Then you have to use long method. अगर उन्होंने number of दिन पूछ ले फिर तो निकालने पड़ेंगे. But if they ask who among this will take the least time, we can find it. Okay. Tomorrow we will do type 4, which is efficiency time concept, type 5 Mendes concept, type 6, type 7, and pipe and system. Pipe and system take 15-20 days. Test de do. We have done 3 type mainly today. Question number 8 you can skip. Question number 7 you can try. पहले 6 तो करने ही करने हैं, but about question number 7 and 8, 7 I think you can manage. 7 तो हो सकता है, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. 8 don't do because we will discuss tomorrow the concept of question number 8. Try. टेलीग्राम पे भी बोल दे डालने के लिए टेस्ट। एट रॉन्ग है, बाकी सारे सही है। 8 का आंसर 40 डेज है। डन। 3 and 8 wrong है. 3 में बस language issue है तो इसलिए. I write answer on the board. I think all of you are done. Question number 1 answer is D4. 4 days. Question number 2 answer C 60 divided by 13 days. Question number 3 answer is 1 by 20. Because they are not asked total days, they ask what part of the same work they can finish in a day. So it's actually they are asking 1 day work. What part of the same work they can finish in a day. 1 day work. 20 days are the total work. 1 day work will be 1 by 20. Question number 4 answer is 16 by 3 days. Question number 5 answer is 12 days. Question number 6 answer is 30 days. Question number 7 answer is 10 days. Question number 8 I will not discuss today. If you have doubt, don't wait. But फिर भी आंसर बता देता हूँ. Answer here is 40 days. I will cover this type tomorrow. Question number 8 I will not discuss today. Question number 1 to 7. If you have any doubt, you can wait here. Otherwise, you can leave the class. Tomorrow we will complete remaining part of time and work and pipe and system. Then you can try PYQ. Abhi mat karna PYQ try. Let me complete the topic. After that, you can try some extra question PYQ. Question number 3. Question number 3. Any other question? I take question number 3. Reena can finish a work in 30 days. Raju can do the same work in double the time taken by Reena. Then working together, what part of the same work they can finish in a day? Those who are not having any doubt, my humble request, you can leave the class. Don't discuss here. We have made wonderful arrangement downstairs for you. You can enjoy coffee with your friend over there. And opposite side, you can enjoy something else also. Okay? But if you want to stay here, don't talk to each other. I will take 2, 5, 7. 3, 2, 5, 7. Question number 3 here. Reena can do a work in 30 days. Raju can do the same work in double time. Raju takes 60 days. What is LCM of 30, 60? 60. Let us assume total work 60 chair. What is the capacity of Reena? 60 chair in 30 days. So it's like 2 chair per day. What about Raju? 60 chair in 60 days. So 1 chair per day. Together 3 chair per day. 60 divided by 3, 20 days. Okay, they complete the work in 20 days, but they have not asked total work. Question को ध्यान से पढ़ो. Working together, what part of the same work they can do in a day? Like you can complete Lakshmikant in 20 days. In 1 day, what part of Lakshmikant you are reading? 1 by 20th. So your answer is 1 by 20th of the work they are doing daily for 1 day. It is 1 day work asked. Let me take question number 2, 5 and 7. Achha, 2 is A, B, C can complete a piece of work in 20, 10 and 15 days respectively. A 20 days, B 10 days, C 15 days. They complete the same work in how many days? We take LCM. What is LCM of 20, 10, 15? 60. What is the capacity of A? 60 chair in 20 days. So 3 chair per day. What is the capacity of B? 60 chair in 10 days. 6 chair per day. What is the capacity of C? 60 chair in 15 days. 4 chair per day. 3 plus 6, 9 plus 4, 13. Answer is 60 upon 30. LCM का इशू है क्या? जिसने भी पूछा है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Then revise LCM. Question number 5. A and B together can do a piece of work in 10 days. B and C 20 days. C and A 60 days. What is LCM of 10, 20, 60? 60. Assume total work 60 chair. What is the capacity of A and B? 60 divided by 10, 6 chair per day. What is the capacity of B and C? 60 divided by 20, 3 chair per day. This is C and A, 60 divided by 60, 1 chair per day. हाँ जी सर टाइम कल बताऊंगा मैं ये चीज आपको. अगर उस हिसाब से चलोगे ना, ए एक काम 10 दिन में करेगा, बी एक काम 20 दिन में करेगा, फिर तो आप कह दोगे ए और बी मिलके काम 30 दिन में करेंगे. लॉजिकली सोचो, ए अगर अकेले 10 दिन में कर रहा है, बी ए को हेल्प कर रहा है, 30 दिन लगेंगे, 10 से कम लगेंगे. टाइम एंड वर्क जो होता है ये चैप्टर ही उल्टा है, इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल चलता है. आप यहां नहीं ऐड कर सकते. यहां तो आपका 2A 2B 2C आपका 100 वो आ गया होगा 90. यही है ना 90. इसको मत ऐड करो, कैपेसिटी को ऐड किया जाता है, डेज को नहीं ऐड किया जाता. डेज और वर्क इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है. वो यहां कर रहे थे, यहां कर रहे थे. बस इसको ना इस तरह का डाउट कभी भी आए ना, ये सोचना ए 10 दिन में काम कर रहा है, बी 20 दिन में, दोनों मिलके 30 दिन में क्यों नहीं कर रहे, फिर समझ में आ जाएगा. आप अकेले एक काम को 10 दिन में करते हो, मैं उसी काम को 20 दिन में करता हूं, क्या हम दोनों मिलके उस काम को 30 दिन में करेंगे? बस वही आंसर है उसका. इसको कभी भी ऐड नहीं किया जाता. डेज को टाइम एंड वर्क में कभी भी ऐड नहीं किया जाता, कैपेसिटी को ऐड किया जाता है एलसीएम लेने के बाद. इट इज 6 + 3 9 + 1 10. तो ए बी सी 10 divided by 2 5. But don't say 5 days, it is 5 chair per day. They have to make 60 chair with a capacity of 5. Answer is 12 days. 7 I have not covered yet, but I tell you easy है 7 question. 4 भी बता दो आप. हाँ जी भाई, यहाँ पे ए बी और सी की वैल्यू पुट कर दो. 3, ठीक है, तो ए की वैल्यू आ जाएगी, फिर 60/10. इक्वेशन नंबर 4 माइनस इक्वेशन नंबर 2. समझ में तो आ गया, याद नहीं हुआ ये कहो. 4 में से सेकंड इक्वेशन माइनस करो. ए बी सी 5 है, बी और सी 3 है, तो ए की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी 2. Question number 7 is A can do a piece of work in 30 days. B is thrice efficient. If B is thrice efficient, B will take 1/3 time. If you are thrice efficient, you will take 1/3 time. What is 1/3 of 30? 10 days. B is thrice efficient, so B will take 1/3 time. So 1/3 of 30 is 10 days. This is direct answer. If you are thrice efficient, you will take 1/3 time. Because there is a concept of negative work. Mayank, that is good point you have observed. Yes, Mayank, your point is valid, because there is a concept. Sometimes some people, they don't work, they destroy the work, like Guddu Pandit. Guddu Pandit chair नहीं बनाता, chair तोड़ता है. That we will cover tomorrow. There is a concept called negative work concept. तो ये एक concept है negative work concept, जो हम कल पढ़ेंगे. एक मिनट रुको. Question number 4. Ramu, Shamu together can complete a piece of work in 4 days. Ramu 16 days, Shamu alone is asked. So question mark लो, फिर LCM लो. What is LCM of 16 and 4? 16. We assume total work 16 chair. What is the capacity of Ramu? 16 chair in 16 days, 1 chair per day. Shamu X. Ramu and Shamu, they make 16 chair in 4 days. तो इट इज 4 chair पर डे. घर जाके रिवाइज कर लेना, क्योंकि अभी पढ़ा है तो याद नहीं हुआ आपको. 4 - 1 3, तो Shamu making 3 chair in a day, 16 by 3 is your answer. Because Shamu has to make 16 chair with a capacity of 3. Do revise. Okay, online students, if you have doubt, revise. Practice at your home. It will take time to digest or observe. Anji.
लेकिन फिर मुझे ये याद नहीं कि 60/5 क्यों करना था,
क्योंकि टोटल वर्क 60 है। ए बी सी मिलके डेली 5 चेयर बना रहे हैं, उनको 60 चेयर 5 के हिसाब से कितने दिन लगेंगे? 12 दिन लगेंगे। तो ये तो सेम ही पैटर्न है।
सर मेरे को ये चीज समझ में नहीं आई थी जब हम
ये माइनस माइनस लिख देते हैं। इक्वेशन नंबर 4 माइनस इक्वेशन नंबर 2।
अच्छा,
ये इक्वेशन नंबर 4 है।
हाँ इक्वेशन,
ये इक्वेशन नंबर 1 है, ये 2 है, ये 3 है। तो जो इक्वेशन नंबर 4 लिख दो 6 चेयर पर डे, बी और सी 4, ये हो जाता है माइनस माइनस माइनस, बी प्लस बी माइनस कैंसल, सी प्लस सी माइनस कैंसल, 6 माइनस 4 2 8।
ठीक है। और अगर हमसे क्या बोलते हैं किसी और चीज का पूछा हुआ होगा
तो इस तरह से कर सकते हैं, ए बी सी माइनस सी ए करोगे तो दूसरा आ जाएगा।
अगर
ये बी अपॉन सी मत लिखो, बी प्लस सी लिखो, ए प्लस बी लिखो, प्लस लिखो।
ठीक है, समझ गया।
ठीक है, एक घर पे रिवाइज करना, समझ में आ जाएगा। कोई डाउट हो तो कल पूछ लेना। हाँ जी स्टूडेंट्स, यू ट्राई अनन्या। अब बचा ही गया, मतलब यू आस्क मी 2 3 4 5 6 7। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 हो गया आपका अनन्या? क्या डाउट है
सर? इसके अंदर ए अलोन का वर्क हम आपने क्या बताया था कि अगर क्विट कर रहा है, ज्वाइन कर रहा है तो वो साइज में मैटर नहीं कर रहा।
ए ने डेली 4 चेयर बनाई और ए 4 दिन काम कर रहा है तो 16 चेयर बना दी ना। तो बची कितनी? 40 में से 16 बन गई, 24 रहेगी। यहाँ पे ए बी सी 5 आ गया अनन्या, ए बी सी 5। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में पूछ कर रहा है ए अलोन, बी और सी 3 है, बी और सी 3 है, माइनस माइनस, तो ए की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 5 माइनस 3 2 चेयर पर डे। इफ ए अलोन हैज टू मेक 60 चेयर विद ए कैपेसिटी ऑफ 2, आंसर इज 30 days। तो यू राइट दीज आर द स्टेप फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। यहाँ पे इक्वेशन नंबर 4 माइनस इक्वेशन नंबर 2 कर देते हैं। ओके, डू रिवाइज, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, आप घर पे एक बार रिवाइज कर लो टॉपिक को, ठीक है? ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, कर दो क्लास एंड।